Oh yeah. Here.
This is Marines at its finest. Good train.
Oh, he's got a nice little groove going.
Yeah. He's taking his time.
Oh, he made. Oh.
So, Keo, isn't that a clean weapon?
That means we don't have a job.
Bam. Put it back.
Part.
He's at 30 seconds right now.
I could have done this in a minute.
Oh. Sure. So I say you go next. Oh, that's the tough shit right there. Oh shit.
Oh yeah, here we go. Look at that. New showgirls. Oh, who's eating the Reese's?
Don't say cool. I had like half a piece. He had like 5 of them, sir.
Why can't I find a wifey like that? Not jungle fever.
You got jungle fever.
Minute and a half.
Man.
Oh, he might get it. Less than 4 minutes. Look at that. Stretch, you guys see this?
Oh no, we gotta get it together yet. We're not together yet.
Remember, full functions check. Called him the lurch.
What we got on what's the time? 2 what?
Yeah.
What's the time? 2 a target.
Yeah. Oh shit, man.
Oh, if I could just held it in.
It's fucking awesome. Time.
2:45.
2:45.